when we talk about email marketing and when we talk about actually implementing a marketing strategy, many entrepreneurs and many marketeers, they focus on different social media platforms. So here we have platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Google, and they have billions of active users. So it makes total sense to have these channels as part of your marketing strategy. But you also have to remember that email marketing also has a big audience. So at the moment in 2023, we have 4 billion email users, and this number is expected to increase to 5 billion by 2025. So also email marketing is a huge channel. And I can share with you some stats that can tell you why this is important. So I can tell you that $42 is generated for every $1 spent on email marketing. I can also tell you that 4 out of 5 marketers, they say that they'd rather give up social media altogether than give up email marketing. But I think you know why it's important. That's why you're in this webinar. And for me, I don't care about this data. I don't care about this stat, because personally, I know why email marketing is important for me, because it is the only awareness channel that can be used across the whole customer journey, from awareness down to revenue. So you have platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and other channels. They can be used for specific stages only. But email marketing is the only one that can be used to optimize every single stage, from awareness down to revenue. But I'm going to explain briefly. So awareness, this is when your audience, they become aware about your product and services. Acquisition, they show an interest in your company, in your product, in your service. Activation, they experience the value. They get the wow moment. Retention, this is where they keep coming back and use your product more. Referrals, they encourage your audience. They encourage, their basically their friends, their family, their colleagues to also use your product and service. And then we have revenue. This is where you make the money by upselling and cross-selling. So email marketing can be used for every single stage. If you want to visualize the whole process, it looks something like this. So basically, you use different awareness channels in your strategy. You can use SEO, you can use content marketing, you can use paid media, you can use webinars, PR, events, referral programs, you name it. And at some point in time, as a marketer, you should create your own playbook. You should combine different channels together as part of your strategy. And when you do so, most probably email marketing will be at the center of this strategy, and it's gonna link everything together. And that's why, for me, email marketing is one of the most important channels out there. So in a nutshell, it looks something like this. The whole email marketing flow can be automated from top to bottom, from awareness down to revenue, depending on your intent level of your audience. So make sure to segment them. And that's why, for me, email marketing is important, because you cannot do this using other channels. And when we talk about growth marketing, usually we tell you like, okay, you look at your customer journey and you check which stage requires the most attention and you focus on it first, right? What happens here, you can actually automate the whole thing, and then everything is happening in the background and you focus on something else. You work on your experiments. So that's why I think this is quite valuable.